Welcome to the lecture number 5. Now, in up to lecture number 4, we have seen different examples in type number 1, which are the basic examples which are very important for the properties which we are going to study now. So, let us see first heading properties of Laplace transform. Laplace transform. Properties of Laplace transform. So the first property is first shifting property. First shifting property. First shifting property. Okay. So what is this first shifting property? Let us see the definition or the statement of this statement. If Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of e raised to at into f of t is equal to f of s minus a. Now what is meaning of this? Whenever there is e raised to at in multiplication of f of t, okay, then we have to use the first shifting property. And how to use it? If the e raised to plus at is there, then we have to take here s minus a. That means we have to replace s by minus a, s minus a. And second, Laplace transform of e raised to minus at into f of t is equal to f of s plus a. Okay. So these are the two important formulas in the these particular properties. Now let us try to use this particular property in the examinations, in the examples. So let us consider example number 1. Find Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t into bracket t raised to 3 plus t raised to 2 plus 1. Okay. So let us suppose this example is given to you and you have to solve this example, okay, by using first shifting property. Now how you identify that this example is of this particular property, first shifting property? So if you see this is the f of t, and in multiplication of this f of t there is e raised to minus 2t. So that's why what we have to do, let f of t is equal to, remove this e raised to minus 2t, and whatever is remaining, that is our small f of t. So f of t is equal to t raised to 3 plus t raised to 2 plus 1. Okay. And let us take Laplace transform on both sides. So Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of t cube plus t square plus 1. Now if you simplify this, what we get? Laplace transform of t cube plus Laplace transform of t square plus Laplace transform of 1. Okay. So now that is equal to, what is Laplace transform of t raised to 3? By using formula. So that is 3 factorial upon s raised to 3 plus 1, that is 4, plus here 2 factorial upon s raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3, and here Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Okay. So this is the Laplace transform of f of t. So this is Laplace transform of f of t, or we can say that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to what we have got here, that is f of s. Okay. What is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 6 upon s raised to 4 plus 2 factorial is 2 upon s raised to 3 plus 1 upon s. Okay. So this is what? This is your f of s. So now by using first shifting property, by using first shifting property, Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t into t cube plus t square plus 1 is equal to, okay, so just we have calculated the Laplace transform of this, that is, okay, this value. In this f of s, wherever there is value of s, we have to replace that value of s by s plus 2. Why s plus 2? Because here it is s e raised to minus 2. Okay, so here we can write this as 6 upon s raised to 4 plus 2 upon s raised to 3 plus 1 upon s in bracket, replace s by s plus 2. So what we get here? If you put this value here, what we get? In place of s, we have to write on this. So s plus 2 raised to 4 plus 2 upon s plus 2 raised to 3 plus 1 upon s plus 2. Okay. So this is value of f of s. Right. So now this is the final answer. Okay. Now let us take another example for clearing your doubts. Let us consider example number 2. Find Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into sin square t. Okay. Now how to simplify this? Okay, look at this. Okay, so here if you remove this e raised to 2t, then what is remaining? That is sin square t, and this is our f of t. Okay, so here f of t is equal to sin square t. Now we know that how to solve this particular example. Already we have seen such type of examples in type number 1. Okay, so Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of sin square t. Okay, so that is equal to, what is formula for sin square t? That is 1 minus cos of 2t divided by 2. Okay, so that is equal to, this 1 by 2 can be taken outside. So what we get inside? Laplace transform of 1 minus cos of 2t, that is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket Laplace transform of 1 minus Laplace transform of cos of 2t bracket close, and that is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s minus Laplace transform of cos 2t is s upon s square plus 4. Okay, now that is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket, do the cross multiplication. So s square plus 4 minus s into s, that is s square, divided by s in bracket s square plus 4 bracket close. So this s square get cancel, and what we get here? So that is equal to 4 upon 2, that will be again 2 upon s in bracket s square plus 4. Okay, so now this is value of small f of s. Okay, now by using first shifting property, Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into sin square t is equal to what? Okay, this is f of s. So s upon s square plus 4. So just what we have to do? Replace this s by s minus 2. Why this minus sign? Because here it is plus given. So finally you will get 2 upon s minus 2 in another bracket s minus 2 whole square plus 4. If you simplify further, 2 upon s minus 2, okay, in bracket, if you solve this, s square minus 4s plus 2 raised to 2 is 4, 4 plus 4, that is 8. This is your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this type of examples. This is very easy type. If you understand the type number 1, then this type is very easy. Okay, just there is some extension at the last. Okay, so let us see another example to understand you better. So example number 3, find Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t in bracket t minus 2 or t square minus 2 raised to 2 bracket close. Okay, so such type of examples will be asked in the examinations. So how to solve this? So here let So if you remove this e raised to minus 3t, then this is your small f of t. So let f of t is equal to t square minus 2 bracket square. So if you solve this, what we get? T raised to 2 square, that is t raised to 4 minus 4 into t square plus 2 raised to 2, that is 4. So this is your f of t. Okay. Now taking Laplace transform on both sides, what we get? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of t raised to 4 minus 4t square plus 4. Okay, so Laplace transform of t raised to 4 minus 4 common constant. Okay, Laplace transform of t raised to 2 plus 4 is again constant, and if you take this 4 common, then there will be 1 remaining. So that is equal to, what is Laplace transform of t raised to 4? 4 factorial upon s raised to 5 plus, sorry, not plus, it is minus 4 into Laplace transform of t square, 2 factorial upon s raised to 3 plus 4 as it is. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Now if you simplify this, the factorial of 4 is 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that will be 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24 upon s raised to 5 minus 4 2 is 8 upon s raised to 3 plus 4 upon s. So this is value of f of s. Now by using first shifting property, okay, by using first shifting property, what we can write here? Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t into t square minus 2 bracket square is equal to, what is f of s here? So just in this f of s, 24 upon s raised to 5 minus 8 upon s raised to 3 plus 4 upon s. Okay, so here we have to replace this s by s plus 3. S plus 3. So if you replace this, what we get? Final answer 24 upon, in place of s we have to write down s plus 3. So s plus 3 raised to 5 minus 8 upon s plus 3 raised to 3 plus 4 upon s plus 3. Okay, isn't it? So this is value of f of s. I hope you are getting this. Okay, this is very simple example. These are very simple examples. This property is also very simple. So now example number 4. For homework, you can say this. Find Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into sin 2t into cos of 3t. Okay, this is for homework. Next example. Find Laplace transform of e raised to t by 2 into sin 3t, okay, sin of 3t plus 2 bracket close. Sixth example. Find Laplace transform of sin 3t into sin 2t divided by e raised to minus t. Okay, so how to solve this example? This is very simple example, just the arrangement is changed. So what we have to do here? So hint for this example is, you can say, you can write this example as e raised to minus t can be taken outside on the numerator. So e raised to t into sin 3t into sin of 2t. Okay, and remaining portion is very easy. You can solve these examples. So I hope you understand this lecture. If anybody is having any doubt, please ask the questions on the comment section. Thank you very much.